Before you begin, make sure your crown barrier is upright, stable and in its final position. Check for any sharp edges or burrs that could catch or damage the cover. Slide the cover down over the barrier like a sock. It should rest naturally over both sides. Align the front of the cover so it sits properly over the top bends. Make sure the angled corners follow the shape of the frame. Start on one side. Begin at the top eyelet and work your way down, using cable ties to secure each point. Keep the tension snug, but not overly tight. Now repeat the process on the opposite side, again top to bottom. This helps keep everything centered and prevents twisting. Next, locate the bottom edge eyelets and attach them to the lower rail. This keeps the cover flat and secure along the bottom. Trim off any excess tie-ends and do a final check. Your standard cover should now be smooth, straight and securely fitted.